Amen bantwana bezithunywa. This is Nkosazana Ndoni Yamanzi. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Today I'm going to talk about candle color meanings. Ngizochaza ngamakhandlela, amakhala wakhona, imibala yakhona ukuthi imeleni, nemibala yama-beads and-candle readings. Okay, siqale ikhandlela, a white candle, ikhandlela elimhlophe. It's for light. Elokukhanya, a blue candle. It's for your angels, elezithunywa. Futhi lelo khandlela elamadlozi akhaba ubaba wakho. Mhlawumbe ufuna ukuphahla, ukhulume namadlozi wakhaba ubaba wakho, uyasebenzisa ublue. Ikhandlela eliyelo limele amadlozi wakhaba omama. So usayidi lakhaba umama wakho, uma ufuna ukuphahla ukhuluma nabo, uyalisebenzisa uyelo. U-red is for protection, elokuvika, elokulwa. Mhlawumbe ubhekene nenkinga nemimoya emibi, mhlawumbe uhlaselwa amaphupho amabi, uyakhona ukusebenzisa leli khandlela leli elibovu ukucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi akulwele ezimpini zakho. Ikhandlela eli-pink, lekhandlela lamanono. Amanono yini? Amanono amadlozi wezingane ewandlula emhlabeni, azange bathole ithuba lokuthi baphile. In most cases labantwana laba bebambethwe okwabantwana bambethwe. And then a brown candle. Le brown candle is for idlozi lentaba. A green candle, lekhandlela eli-green, labo gogo labo bebakhuleka, maybe umbathwe yilabo gogo, uyalisebenzisa. And then uyalisebenzisa ikhandlela eli-green for healing. Mhlawumbe khona umuntu ogulayo or ukhulekela abantu abagulayo, noma uzikhulekela wena, uyakhona ukusebenzisa ikhandlela eli-green. Noma ucela imali, uyakhona ukusebenzisa ikhandlela eli-green. Bese kuba nekhombo. Ikhombo ikhandlela eli-yellow, ulibeka ngaka-left. Then in the middle ubeka your-white candle. And then on the right hand side ubeka your blue candle ela isayidi lakhabo baba. Kule khombo lena isebenzisa nanoma ubani ngoba wonke umuntu unawo amadlozi. Asisho ukuthi unesiphiwo samadlozi, but wonke umuntu unawo amadlozi. So uyakhona ukusebenzisa le khombo uma ufuna ukuphahla, uyakhuleka bese uyaphahla ngayo. And then iyakhona ukukuvezela uma uyenza i-candle reading ukuthi ngesayidi lakhabo mama mhlawumbe kunesikhalo or ngapha, bese ayakubonisa amakhandlela wakho ukuthi ngakuliphi iside, because if iyelo and then soyazi ukuthi ngapha khabo mama kunento ovezelwa yona. And then into important engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi singakhohlwa ukuthenga amakhandlela of good quality. We must cleanse our candles, sihlambulule amakhandlela wethu. If you don't know how to, please listen to my previous videos. And then you must use one matchstick for each candle. Sebenzisa sticks esi-1 for ikhandlela eli-1. So if amakhandlela wakho ayi-3 uzosebenzisa i-sticks ezi-3. Ungakhanyisi nge-sticks esi-1 for amakhandlela more than 1. And then do not switch off your candles immediately after praying. Just sit in that space and then uyeke like uhlale like 10, 15 kuya le uzobona boma 15, 20, 30 minutes uzobona. And then umamele, because masikhuleka noma masiphahla si-invite our guides ukuthi baze babe nathi, bakhuleke nathi, noma sikhona into esiyikhuluma nabo. So awukwazi ukuthi uvele uyacima uyasuka uyahamba wena. Sithi wena uyadelela ngenye indlela, uyabadelela because now uyakhuluma lokho okushoyo and then uyahamba, ufuna ukumamela ukuthi bona bathini. Maybe khona i-message e-important, i-messenger yakho ifuna ukukutshela yona, wena nanguya sowusukumile. So uzokwazi kanjani ukuthi ulalele umoya uma ukhuluma nawe. And then when you switch off your candle or candles, do not blow them. Ungaphephethi amakhandlela wakho. You must use your fingers to switch them off. Usebenzisa imino yakho ukuthi uqime amakhandlela wakho. And then flames, ikhandlela elingalight, lelo khandlela lelo mhlamba awuzange uzulihlambulule, maybe belibamba umuntu onemimoya engasi-right. So kumele ukuthi ucleanse and then ulight futhi bese liyahala. And then kumele ukuthi ume ukuthi ulikhanyise, because maybe your angel iyakubonisa ukuthi there is a monitoring spirit around you. monitoring spirit lemimoya emibi abathumelayo abantwana bakaNkulunkulu abanye kusho ukuthi like ne-enemy then ikuthumele leyo moya loyo mubi loyo ukuthi uhlale ukumamela uplana ini uthi uyenza into iyavaleka uthi uyenza into iyavaleka kanti uhamba nalo moya lo ohamba nawe umoya ongasi-right abakuthumela ngawo ukuthi umoshe izinto zakho ulalele ukuthi wena uplanani mawuthi nawu la. So just pray with your heart ngaleso sikhathi leso and then uzophinda futhi ukhuleke or cleanse your space uphume loyo moya loyo endaweni yakho. Then ikhandlela elikhanya kancane lelo khandlela lelo kuyabonisa ukuthi impendulo yakho uzoyithola but it's going to take a while. And then malikhanya kakhulu impendulo yakho uzoyithola impendulo ezokujabulisa bayavuma lokho okucelayo so nje uzojabula ngaloko okucelile uzoshesha ukuthole lokho. Then ikhandlela elikhalayo leli eliyehla i-wax lekhandlela lokuyehla yatonta lelo khandlela lelo lisuke lidonsa ama-emotions wakho maybe ukhuleka uyakhala or depressed or uyabalisa ikhandlela liyakwenza lokho mhlawumbe khona isikhalo esikhona esayidini esithunyweni sakho and then lizokhala maybe khona into omele uyenzi then lizokhala ikhandlela maybe khona isikoloto onaso esithunyweni sakho lizokhala maybe khona isikoloto onaso edlozini lakho lizokhala ikhandlela lakho. Ikhandlela elikhalayo ikhandlela elabalozi leli elikhala umlozi kushuthi unabalozi bayakhuluma njengoba ukhuleka and then bese bayakhuluma ke nawe. Le khandlela engizothini switches off. No, this one I have mentioned. So asiyeni ebuhlalweni. Angazibuza ukuthi how Nkosazana Ndoni umntwana onesithunywa uyayigcoka ubuhlalo. Yeah. Siyabugcoka ubuhlalo mangabe uyavezelwa hayi ukuthi uvele ulandele ngoba ubone umuntu omaziyo afake ubuhlalo nonesithunywa ulandela lokho ovezela kona. Ubuhlalo obani kahle kahle? Ubuhlalo bukhomba ukuthi